Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your speaker JBL Boombox 4 on Android device. So, usually we have few options how to check the battery level. The first one is to use the control panel, but right here in the Bluetooth we have no battery percentages, even if I click on it. Just active. Also we can check it if you go to the settings and Bluetooth for connected devices, and again nothing. Also on some devices we can click at the settings icon or information icon near to the speaker and we can check it here, but not for this speaker. So what we should do? The only way to check the battery level is to use an application. You need to install and set up JBL Portable app. And of course your speaker should be connected with the application, then the app open for you speaker menu. But if you are in the main menu, just tap at your speaker right here at the device list, and right here I have battery level. And again, this one is the only one way how to check it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!